Where does the name for Trefnant come from? So today I'm in Trefnant, or Trefnant. It's a small town in Denbighshire. The name's made of two parts. Tref, which originally meant a farmstead, but then came to mean a settlement. And then we have Nant, which means stream, which refers to Nant Padrig, which flows through the area somewhere. We're going to go and find it. So literally it means the town of the stream. And this is Nant Padrig, literally Patrick Stream. And it's the stream that the town is named after. The town grew up largely in the Industrial Revolution around the railway station here. But since the railway closed, it's become a bit quieter. Anyway, diolch. Like and share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my Patreon, you can find the link in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.